As we all know, your credit paves the way when it comes to financial freedom and also helping you get your first real estate property or your investment property. Now in this video, I'm excited to go over the new Perch app, which is going to help you raise your credit score on the normal things that you're paying for already, like your Netflix and your Hulu accounts. So let's go. What's up everybody, this is your boy Jacques. If you're new to this channel, I'm a licensed realtor and mortgage loan originator in the state of Florida. Now my goal on this channel is to help you gain wealth through real estate and also help answer those questions that you may have. So let's go. Now guys, I'm actually excited to make this video. I can't tell you how many things that we pay for on a monthly basis that we don't get credit for on our credit report. Now if you would have missed those payments, such as your cell phone bill or your Netflix, and you had a huge balance, guess what? It'll go on your credit report and show up negatively on your credit report as well. Now, this app is actually great in my opinion because it allows you to help pay for certain things such as your Netflix, Hulu, your rent as well on your credit report. It's actually going to help raise up the score. I also want to mention that some people are currently receiving this message that you see on the screen. No worries guys, that just means that you're currently on a waiting list for the app. Just wait and you're going to be able to have access eventually. I'm going to give you guys a quick backstory on how Perch was created. Now the CEO, Michael Broughton, hope I said his name correctly, and I'm going to paraphrase this, had a catch-22 when he was denied a loan that he needed to cover for his tuition of $10,000. Now he came from a military family of 9 and he was disqualified due to his family finances, but lack of credit score and had no credit history. And he was very frustrated and he basically made a lot of research and founded Perch. Since being launched in 2019, the company has secured a $2.5 million investment. And one of the key players in this investment is none other than Jay-Z. Now one thing I loved about the app is that you can pay for certain things such as your Amazon, Spotify, Netflix, your rent, or your Hulu. Now, my family members that use my Netflix account or my Hulu account, I'm sorry, I'm gonna get the credit for it, not you. If you wanna get credit for it, you better get your own. Signing up was very easy. You just need your photo ID or other forms of documentations just to prove who you are. And again, as I mentioned earlier, it took about 5 minutes. It was very simple and there are no fees attached to this at all. Also, another thing that I know a lot of people are gonna ask, does it hurt your credit score by checking it through this app? It doesn't. Your credit score is not affected if you check your credit, so why not? Any assistance that you need with your credit, this is actually gonna help. Another thing to me that was very interesting was that even if you have someone else helping you pay your rent, this would actually help your score as well. Basically what you would do is make sure that person is putting that money in your bank account and you pay the rent with the money in the bank account. That way it shows that you're paying for it and this will help up your score. So again, another quick tip, this may or may not help you, but if it does, it's a real good tip to help you in the long run. Again, your credit score is the way to get you to your real estate property or your investment property. Make sure it's in tip-top shape to make sure when it's time for you to buy that property, nice and easy. Now I'd love to know in the comment section below, how do you feel about the new Perch app and will you be using it? Drop your answers in the comment section below. Also guys, I'm not being sponsored by Perch at all. Just want to give you guys a quick video on any ways that help boost up your credit score. Another thing I want to mention is that this app is currently for iPhone users only. So you have the iOS version 11 or above, you're able to download this. Now if you have an Android, no worries. If you look in the description box below, I do have other links which I'm affiliated with that's going to help boost up your credit for your rent and other things such as utilities as well. Now I can't wait to see the positive impact of everyone's credit score when their utilities are finally being reported on their credit report. Now as always guys, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and make sure you hit that notification bell. And as always guys, I appreciate you. Make sure you watch these videos right here. And as always, make sure you guys have a great day, great week, and I'll see you in the next one.